Hey everyone, the Sydney Trains in New South Wales training channel speaking to you. I'm here at Newcastle for Newcastle, the first and final part. Now, as you may already know, this station along with Civic will be closing down on the 26th of December 2014, which is Boxing Day. To start off with, I'll list the people who requested this. So, to start off with, we have T Sydney Trains Vlogs, then Debbie Tanner, Jude Gaming 18, Sydney Trains on Location, JLL, New South Wales Transport Videos, Transport for New South Wales Vlogs, James the Trainer, Justin Lai, Sydney Train Spotter, Sydney Trains Vlogs, Drug 3TRs, just let me know if I pronounced that right, mate, Lachlan Welsh, Ainsley Yonyi, Cat Tiger, Jaden Melham, and Hunter Line Vlogs. Now, on platform number 1, we have B42. This just returned from Sydney Terminal, and now it will return back to Sydney Terminal, stopping express, as you might be able to know. So, yeah. Okay, over we go to platform number 2 and 3. Here we have H20 for a Sydney Terminal service stopping all stations. And here we got an Endeavour. So let's see. Is that the driver part? Okay, that's okay. So yeah, this set is N1. And this car here is LE2851. View of N1. The car here is OD6941. Oval card reader. I'll just take you for a tiny little walk up to the rear of the Endeavour. This is 2851. And now, as you can tell, it's pretty dirty and grotty in there. It's disgusting. Pathetic for people to do that, I know. And this car here is 2801, TE2801. And car number, and this thing there, and hang on, let's go up a bit. The rear of N1. And here we have ON5820. This Oscar here is an all-station service. It's now 1 o'clock PM. This is a Maitland service, I think. I don't know, but yeah. So now I'm going to go back. That's that button thingy there. Just to make this tour a bit longer, I thought I'd walk through Endeavour set 2851 on M1. So this is LA car where you can put your luggage in, so that's pretty cool. It's an LE car, as I would say. You still got the Oscar seating, but there was no Oscar seating before the refurbishment, so it's quite interesting to see what seats they were. By the way, this is the maintenance service. I forgot to mention it, or I mentioned it in the last clip, I think. Now, let's see how comfortable the seats are, because that'd actually be interesting, even though I've tried it before. Average Oscar seats. By the way, this tour, this walkthrough will be in the next tour, so stay tuned for that. Car number, and more seats, and an overview. Rightio guys, my train is about to depart, which is the central service via Strathfield. And for the hell of it, we have a train arriving to platform number 4. The set is J something. J3, I think it is. J3. board this train.
Plenty of seats anyway, it's nice to have a different train.
Just gonna car number 5970. N1 now departing. Sorry, it's J5. Anyway guys, I'm at the shop now. Sorry if it was really short. There's J5 there. So don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and if you're new, I will see you all next time. Bye for now.